Hey kids! Drawing tools are the cool things artists use to make awesome pictures and designs. Today, we'll learn how to spell and identify the names of different drawing tools. Let's start our creative journey and learn all about the tools we use to draw and color. Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. Eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R. Eraser. Sharpener. S-H-A-R-P-E-N-E-R. Sharpener. Marker. M-A-R-K-E-R. Marker. Crayon. C-R-A-Y-O-N. Crayon. Charcoal. C-H-A-C-O-A-L. Charcoal. Ink pen. I-N-K-P-E-N. Ink pen. Ruler. R-U-L-E-R. Ruler. Compass. C-O-M-P-A-S-S. Compass. Paintbrush. P-A-I-N-T-B-R-U-S-H. Paintbrush. Sketchbook. S-K-E-T-C-H-B-O-O-K. Sketchbook. Stencil. S-T-E-N-C-I-L. Stencil. Pastels. P-A-S-T-E-L-S. Pastels. Drawing tools help you create your own art and show your creativity. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.